In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open images in Camera Raw from Adobe Bridge. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to navigate Bridge to harness the full capabilities of Camera Raw, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step by step to make sure you have a smooth and simple experience opening your images. First, let's start in Adobe Bridge. You'll want to navigate to the specific folder that contains your images, whether they're in RAW, JPEG, or TIFF format. Once you have the folder open, it's time to select the images you wish to edit. You can choose a single image or multiple images if you want to edit them simultaneously in Camera Raw. Now that you've got your selected images highlighted, you have a few options to open them in Camera Raw. The first method is through the menu bar at the top. Simply go to File, and then you'll find an option labeled Open in Camera Raw. This is a straightforward and reliable method to access Camera Raw, especially if you're still getting familiar with the shortcuts. The second method is perfect for those who like using contextual menus. If you're on a Windows device, go ahead and right-click on the thumbnail of your selected image. For those on Mac OS, you'll want to use Control-Click. This action brings up a context menu, and you should see an option to Open in Camera Raw right there. This method might save you some time if you prefer quick access through clicking. For the keyboard shortcut aficionados out there, there's an efficient way to open your images as well. On a Windows system, with the thumbnail selected, press Ctrl and R simultaneously. For Mac OS users, it's CMD and R. Using shortcuts can speed up your workflow significantly once you get the hang of them. For those working specifically with RAW files, there's an even simpler trick. Often, just double-clicking the thumbnail will open the file directly in Camera Raw, although this might depend on your preferences setting configured in Bridge. It's a nice and easy approach if you frequently work with RAW images. Once you've successfully opened an image in Camera Raw, you can start making adjustments using the powerful tools within. Camera Raw offers a comprehensive suite of features for tweaking exposure, contrast, and more to fine-tune your image exactly how you envision. After you're satisfied with your adjustments, you have two choices. Click Done if you want to save the adjustments and head back into Bridge, or select Open Image if you wish to continue editing your image further in Photoshop. That's it. You've just learned how to open images in Camera Raw via Adobe Bridge, a skill that can streamline your photo editing process significantly. I hope these instructions were clear and helpful, and that you've gained confidence in managing your workflow more efficiently. Thanks for watching.